Hello my loves, I thought that today would be fun to make a video showing you what I've been wearing this week. It's all black outfits to wear in the summer. Not every day I feel like wearing bright colors or patterns are not really my thing. And I know that black sometimes has a bad rap for attracting more heat, but as a matter of fact, we all know that black is in fact the chicest color on the color wheel. I promise you that you will leave here with a new appreciation for wearing black in your summer wardrobe, and you're gonna find a couple of outfits that are going to suit you perfectly. For this outfit, I am wearing a Helmut Lang black tunic. You can wear this with a belt or without the belt. I am wearing it with an Yves Saint Laurent belt that it's in a leopard print, and I am pairing it up with Hermes sandals. Here you can see the same Hermes Oran sandals. I am wearing it with a black Anine Bing slip. I am wearing a basic white t-shirt, and I'm wearing the Yves Saint Laurent belt to bring the entire look together. This is just a very fresh and classy summer look where I'm still dressed in neutrals. I still look very chic and I'm very, very comfortable. For this look, I'm wearing one of my all-time favorite black silk camis. This one is from Nudie Silk, and I'm pairing it with a silk skirt. As you can see, the monochrome on this just makes the entire outfit look very effortless, and it's so important for me to be able to transition the same outfit from day to night, from night to day. I don't want to pack up a lot of stuff in the summer, so here I'm wearing it with Amina Muaddi slingbacks in a satin material. And I'm wearing the same outfit during the day all the time with black flats. Here I'm wearing the Hermes Oran sandals. You throw on a pair of oversized sunglasses and you're super chic, comfortable, and above all, you're fresh. Talking about fresh, this is one of my all-time favorite outfits, which is just a black pair of denim, black t-shirt with shoulder pads, and throwing on a pair of slingbacks in a fun summery fresh color. These ones are from Teresa Lopez, and they're in this hue of baby blue. This Chanel classic white caviar top handle bag from Consign Of The Times literally goes well with everything. It's just such a neutral color, and I love wearing it with the same color flat mules from my shoe collection. You pair this with black denim, a white t-shirt, and if you're like in colder Nordic states, you throw on a black leather jacket, and it's just such a cool look. And still, the fact that the accessories are in light colors, it keeps it very summery and very fresh. This leather jacket is seriously a unicorn, and it's from Victoria Beckham. It fits amazing.
Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. The same old thing that keeps me around.